Today we are going to introduce you Clipchamp, a very simple to use online video editing tool that you can access for free. Let's start by visiting the Clipchamp website. For this, you can type Clipchamp in the search engine and get the relevant result there. With everything you need to create captivating videos with no expertise required, the Clipchamp platform is free and easy to use and suitable for both beginners and experienced video editors. It has smart tools and great features to help you create content. Automatically generates highly accurate subtitles in more than 140 languages. With speech-to-text technology, it accurately converts the audio in your video into readable subtitles in minutes. With text-to-speech technology, turn text into speech with a single click. You can select a language and change the volume, tone, and speed to accurately reproduce a wide range of natural sounds. You can change the aspect ratio of the video to fit any platform. You can add background colors and blur effects to fill the empty spaces around your video. You can also crop your shots to fill the screen completely. Clipchamp has many more editing features and tools to make editing a very practical and easy task. With Smart Speaker Coach, you can improve your communication skills by monitoring your speed, tone of voice, and filler words. All this will help you to increase your confidence and be more successful in engaging your audience. With thousands of royalty-free elements, you can turn your video into rich content. Overlays and transitions effects, content templates from multiple platforms, sound and music library, filters, all kinds of graphics and text examples and features are ready for you to create amazing content. And you can create unlimited videos without watermarks. Clipchamp allows you to create as many high-definition, 1080p, videos as you want for free. This way, you can focus on what matters most, your content. Whether you're creating videos for your business or just for fun, it's easy to create engaging content with the free Video Maker. Clipchamp is a web-based application. This allows you to use it on any computer with any operating system. There are also Clipchamp mobile apps for Android and iOS devices. Clipchamp's desktop app is available for Windows and macOS devices. To use the desktop app, you can download it from the Microsoft Store or App Store. Clipchamp is a feature of Windows 11 that comes installed embedded. When you install Windows 11, the Clipchamp desktop application is automatically installed. To use Clipchamp, open the Clipchamp application from the Windows 11 Start menu. On Windows 10, you can download Clipchamp from the Microsoft Store. Clipchamp can also be used integrated with Microsoft 365 over the web without the need for download and installation. To use Clipchamp on the web with Microsoft 365, sign in to your Microsoft 365 account, then visit the Microsoft 365 website, type Clipchamp in the search bar or access it from the App Shortcuts panel in the top left. Clipchamp is a great option for video editing beginners because the platform's interface is very user-friendly and intuitive. Right now we can start creating video content from scratch and learning how to edit it. For now, we have prepared this introduction by talking about its general features and we will reveal all the details soon. Let's start with the program interface. You can quickly access all the components you can use in your content sorted from top to bottom in the tool panel on the left side. Clipchamp's beginner-friendly interface helps you quickly find all professional editing functions, including step, timeline, sidebars, and floating sidebar. You can use the tabs in the right property panel to add fades, add filters, adjust colors, change volume or edit speed. We can go into the interface and all its detailed features later, but let's start by talking about a few quick features hands-on. We transfer a Christmas-themed template to our timeline. If you pay attention, it warns if the aspect ratio is not compatible, but it can still automatically make it compatible. The template we have chosen is automatically loaded with all its components, including text, graphics, video and animations, effects and sounds, all of which we can edit and modify or use as is. You can export the content you have prepared. Among the export options, there are options to export as MP4 in high resolution. You can use Clipchamp by signing in with a Microsoft account, or you can use it with an account other than a Microsoft account and in alternative ways. Let's go back to Clipchamp's website and click on Sign In at the top right to log in to your existing account or create a new one. In the Sign In section, the first option is to sign in with an existing Microsoft account, if you have one, and the other options are listed below it. You can also log in with another email or even Google Gmail or create a new account. It is even possible to create a Clipchamp account with a Facebook account or log in to an existing account. In the language section above, you will find almost all common languages of the world and you can choose your own language here. Now for a different example, we choose to create a new account with Google Gmail account. The process is quite simple. Once approved, your account is automatically created and ready to use. We have given permission to make the Clipchamp app available to us and our account is now created. Once a Clipchamp account has been created, the welcome screen asks for your ideas and preferences, such as which videos you would most like to edit to help us. For example, here we stated that we want to use it more for education content. The question, "Where do you teach or learn?" was asked. We want to create education-based videos that are informative and skill-building, but thinking outside the box can also be a preference. That's all. They aim to serve us better with the feedback they get with 1 or 2 questions. The new video creation with AI feature can make your work much faster and more practical. Let's take a quick look at how you can automatically create a quick video using your own media. With auto generation, you first upload a video and set a title for the video. You then adjust settings such as style and length. AI provides alternative content organized according to prompts or your preferences. The last step is to export the content. We will continue with these and more features later. For now, we just took a quick look. Let's quickly move on to look at some of its other features. For example, you can quickly search the content library and include many content components such as stock videos, music, images, and graphics in your work. As an example, we import a Christmas-themed animated sticker into our timeline and examine it. Resizing is just one of the most basic editing methods, and as you can see, we can resize almost without losing quality. And we added one more red bird animated sticker. All these free graphic animation, stock video, audio, and more components can be added to your content, edited and used as you wish. You can import video footage, audio, and other content components to Clipchamp from outside or from your device. As we have already mentioned, with text-to-speech technology, we can turn text into speech with a single click. We can select a language and change the volume, tone, and speed to accurately reproduce a wide range of natural sounds. We examine examples of the vocalization of the text, "Welcome to Clipchamp," with different emotions and tones through previewing.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing. Welcome to the Clipchamp step-by-step registration tutorial. Welcome to the Clipchamp step-by-step registration tutorial.
For a very interesting example, we change the emotion property to shout loudly.
Welcome to the Clipchamp step-by-step registration tutorial.
Record it, and as soon as the recording is finished, it is automatically transferred to the timeline. We expand the sticker animation with the red bird we placed earlier and add a new soundtrack just below it.
Isn't it like an angry bird?
Welcome to the Clipchamp step-by-step registration tutorial.
Isn't it like an angry bird?
It was really like Angry Bird. We hope this step-by-step tutorial has been useful for you. There are many different and similar tutorials and training series on our channel. We will always continue with more beautiful trainings, and we will be with you again very soon. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.